Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix and make sure OneDrive is running on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up your main menu where you can search for applications and access various system settings. Once your Start menu opens, type in OneDrive in the search bar to check if the app is installed on your computer. If OneDrive appears in the search results, that's a good sign it's already installed. Now, navigate to the bottom right part of your taskbar where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and notification icons. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray. If you can see it there, it means OneDrive is currently running in the background and actively syncing your files. However, if the OneDrive icon is not present in your system tray, don't worry, there's another way to ensure it's running properly. Open your File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer opens, direct your attention to the left-hand panel where your Quick Access toolbar is located. This panel displays several commonly used folders that are pinned for easy access. From here, scroll through the list and look for the OneDrive folder. If you can see it listed, that means OneDrive is integrated with your system. Click to open the OneDrive folder and browse through to locate any sample folder or file inside. Right-click on this folder or file, and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on View Online. This action is important because it opens your OneDrive web interface and confirms that OneDrive is properly running and synced with your cloud storage. When you click this option, it launches your default web browser and takes you to the OneDrive web portal, verifying that your files are actively being synchronized between your PC and the cloud. And that's it! You've now confirmed that OneDrive is running on your PC and properly synced with your cloud storage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.